Hi, in front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Unlock and Security. Following that, tap on Screen Lock and click on one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Finally, you get to create it and tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it in order to confirm it and select Confirm. Now you need to answer this question by tapping on the best option for you. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so all I need to do now is click on Done. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!